All right, this is how it arrived. I just wanted to hang it in the back of the door so you can see how big the package is. All right, let me show you what you get with this. You get 6 of these rods, very stiff. And we get 4 over the door hooks. You can see it's going to hook over the door. We're going to hook these on here. You can see the way this bag comes. I've unfolded it. It's all wrinkled right now, but we'll see what it comes out. It feels waterproof, sort of. Some people were saying that they couldn't fit the rod through here because it was stitched all the way up. It was actually an opening right here on the same side on all 6 of them. So we just push that through there. Once it's all the way to the other side, you just fold it back in there like that. I'm a big guy, I wear size 13 shoes, so I'm really interested to see if this is going to work for me or not. It took me literally 5 minutes to put the rods in and hang it up in the back of the door. You can see it's very wrinkly. Yeah, I can get 2 pairs of size 13s in there. Here's the big test. Of size 13 hiking shoes are able to fit in there. I'm liking it. Check this out. Like size 13 loafers, I can actually put them like this. Get them in here like that. 2 old school Doc Martin loafers. Let's make it 4. So far, I have 8 pairs of shoes in here. And I still have 3 whole slots left to go. If you're looking for a large shoe, over the door shoe organizer, check this one out. It's pretty cool.